Dear students, grade A, let us start our session with Lesson 2 Agriculture. In part 1 session, we had discussed about features of agriculture and different types of farming. Let us continue our session with remaining topics. Water resource for agriculture. There are no perennial rivers in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu depends on northeast and southwest monsoon. Hence, agriculture in Tamil Nadu is depend on groundwater. Central Groundwater Board (CGWB) monitors the level and nature of groundwater. Irrigation. Irrigation is the supply of water to land or crops for the purpose of agricultural production. Types of irrigation: well irrigation, canal irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, drip irrigation. Well irrigation. Well irrigation has been practiced in Tamil Nadu for many generations. It is a less expensive type of irrigation. Canal irrigation. Canal irrigation is the most important form of irrigation in India. Most of the North Indian canals are perennial. The main canal irrigated areas are in the northern plains of India such as Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Bihar. Sprinkler irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation is similar to natural rainfall. Water is sprayed through pipes in the air through sprinklers. Drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation system that saves water and soil nutrients. In this system, water drips slowly into the roots of the plants through pipes. Pipes can be either above the soil surface or buried below the surface. The water directly reaches the roots and minimizes evaporation. Green Revolution. Green Revolution is a process which brought an increase in crop production by using new varieties of seeds, pesticides, and new agricultural techniques. Dr. M.S. Swaminathan of Tamil Nadu is known as father of Green Revolution in India. Animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is a branch of agriculture. It is to raise animals for meat, fur, milk, eggs and other products. Horticulture. Horticulture is a science or art of cultivating fruits, vegetables, flowers or ornamental plants. Important crops in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has different types of soil, rainfall and weather across its districts. It is suitable for the production of fruits, vegetables, spices, plantation crops, flowers, medicinal and aromatic plants. Horticulture is the fastest growing sector within agriculture in Tamil Nadu. Principal food crops. The principal food crops are rice, maize, jowar, which means solam, bajra, which means kambu, ragi, and pulses. The pulses are Bengal gram, red gram, green gram, black gram, and horse gram. Cash crops. The cash crops include cotton, sugarcane, oilseeds, coffee, tea, rubber, coconut, gingerly, and chilies. Fruit crops. Mango and banana are the leading fruit crops of Tamil Nadu. The main flowers grown in Tamil Nadu. The main flowers grown in Tamil Nadu are jasmine, chrysanthemum, marigold and rose. Rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Tanjavur is an important agricultural center located in the Kaveri Delta. It is known as a rice bowl of Tamil Nadu. Coimbatore. Coimbatore is the largest cotton producing district in Tamil Nadu. It is known as a Manchester of South India. In session, we learnt about irrigation, types of irrigation and important crops in Tamil Nadu. Thank you.